Hey, what's up guys, I'm Mashuk Shagabatiste and welcome back to another brand new video. Today's video is very special for non-technical person. If you are looking for a hosting company which is very easy to use, easy to understand, and if you want to up and run your website just in few clicks, then this video is for you. Because in this video I am going to reviewing a hosting company which is called TenWeb. Personally I am using this TenWeb hosting for last 3 years and still now, and I am very much satisfied with their service. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, if you are new in my channel, then hit that like button and subscribe this channel if you aren't already. And if you are interested in lifetime software deals, SaaS reviews just like this one, then don't forget to join in our Facebook group. I will provide all necessary links in the video description below. Alright, so let's jump into the video. If you want to purchase TenWeb hosting with discount price, then open up your browser and in the search box just simply type msbofficial.com/TenWeb. Alright, now we are in TenWeb official site. Automate WordPress platform powered by Google Cloud. This hosting is super fast because they are using Google Cloud service. Alright, super fast hosting powered by Google Cloud. 90 plus page speed score guaranteed. Big companies like Yahoo Business Insider also using their service. Features of their automated platform: automated WordPress hosting, 90 plus page speed optimization, automated website building with AI. That means using artificial intelligence, you can easily replicate your favorite site design. Automated one-click migration. That means if currently you are using different type of hosting, then you can easily move your existing site in TenWeb just in one click. And automated website management is also available in TenWeb. That is the very best thing for non-technical persons. And their powerful key hosting features are reliable website performance. That means you will get 99.99% uptime. Real-time backup. That means you will never lost your site information, site data, or any changes, because automatically they will back up your site every single day. Free SSL certificate is also included in their hosting plan. Also, you will get 24/7 live chat support, which is amazing for new users. Now, if we navigate to the pricing section, then here you can see their hosting plan pricing is not so expensive. Personal only $10 per month, premium $24 per month, and agency $60 per month. If you have only one site, then you may interested on their personal plan. But if you have multiple sites, like 3 sites, then you may get this premium plan. Also 100k monthly visitors is included, and you will get 15 GB SSD storage, 24/7 customer support, automated one-click migration, and automated 90 plus. Also automated 90 plus page speed optimization, AI website builder. These 4 powerful features are available in all of their hosting plan. But if you are an agency, then you may interested in their agency plan. Also, they are providing 30 days money back guarantee and no additional hidden fees. Personally, I am using TenWeb hosting for last 3 years and still now. Now I am just simply logging in my TenWeb account. Alright, now I am successfully logged in. Now in the dashboard, I can see my list of 3 different sites. If you want to manage any of your existing site, then just simply click on manage. By default, we are in overview tab. Here you can see the sneak peek of our MSB Squad website. Under hosting service, you will get credential features right here. You can also add your preferred domain. Under tools, here you can see you can use the website caching plugin. Also under plugins, here you can see the list of all available installed plugins. And the best part is you can easily update, deactivate or delete your plugin right here from TenWeb dashboard. Also, if you want to add new plugin, then you don't need to navigate to the WordPress site. Just simply click on add new plugin and search your preferred plugin right here. And their backups option is the most amazing thing. You can schedule your backup. Right now I am using daily backup. Daily backup is turned on and is starting time at 1 AM. As I said before, daily backup is turned on for this msbsquad.com site. Now let's say if I want to restore my site at 7th July backup, then just simply select the date and hit on restore. Then all of your site data will be restored. That's pretty amazing, right? And at any time if you want to take manually backup, then just simply select the current date and hit on backup now. Also, they have built-in security plugins that will protect your site from hackers. Not only that, also they have default SEO plugin, but normally I do use Yoast SEO plugin for my website. Also they have image optimizer plugin. If you want to load your site faster, then website images should be optimized. And the best part is if you are using TenWeb hosting, then you can use image optimizer for free. And at any time if you need any type of help, then just simply click on this chat icon and hit on live chat to communicate with TenWeb support team. Now let's see how we can easily install WordPress inside in TenWeb. To do this from scratch, just simply click on add website. Now if you want to migrate your existing site, then click on the second option, migrate your website. But I want to install brand new WordPress website. That's why I just simply select the first option, create a brand new WordPress website. Now I click on next. Now I need to enter subdomain. Now I type my subdomain MSB Cloud. And then you need to enter your main domain. And of course you can add this letter as well. And our third option is data center location. We need to select our data center. Now I'm in Bangladesh and maximum people basically visiting this site from Bangladesh. That's why I'm using Mumbai, India. Install mode. From this drop down, I just simply select add a brand new WordPress install. And if you are interested in multi-site, then check this option, but I don't. That's why I just simply click on next. Now we need to enter site title, MSB Cloud. Username, you need to enter your WordPress username, admin username and password. Now I just simply typed the admin username and admin password for this new WordPress site. Always remember this admin username and admin password, because without this admin login information, you can't access your admin dashboard of your WordPress site. Now for installing WordPress site, brand new WordPress site, I just simply hit on install. Now wait for a moment. TNWeb just start creating our brand new WordPress website. You may notice that if you are using TNWeb hosting, then you don't need any technical knowledge for managing, creating WordPress site, right? It is super easy, simple and automated. Now check this out. Just in 2 minutes, TNWeb just created our brand new WordPress site. Desktop load time 0.3 second and mobile load time 1.7 second, which is totally insane. Now if I click on our brand new site, then check this out. It is just loaded like rocket, right? Anyways, if I click on the manage option, then under page speed score, here you can see the load time right here. If you want to test in GT Matrix tool, then click on this link and copy paste the website URL and test your site speed. Now check this out. We are getting a great performance. That's amazing, right? Now at this moment, if you want to connect your primary domain with the subdomain, TNWeb created subdomain, then just simply click on point domain and then hit on add domain. Now here you can see we need to enter our primary domain right here. I just simply put my primary domain msbcloud.com and hit on add domain. Now we need to add these name servers under our domain. Now I just logged in my Namecheap site because I have purchased msbcloud.com this domain from Namecheap. That's why I just simply logged in and click on manage. And under domain, here you can see by default name server is selected as Namecheap basic DNS. Now I just simply change this from Namecheap basic DNS to custom DNS and just simply put this name servers to connect our MSB Cloud domain with this website. Alright, we just successfully update our DNS and it requires maximum 48 hours to take effect. Now I just simply click on OK. Here you can see our primary domain is msbcloud.tnweb.me and additional domain is msbcloud.com. Now if you want to access your site by default from msbcloud.com, then you need to use this domain as a primary domain. To do this, just simply click on make primary. Now TNWeb says msbcloud will become your primary domain and main address for your site. Now at this time, if you want to enable free SSL, then you must select on this option, enable free SSL provided by TNWeb. Now I hit on confirm. Now here you can see we just successfully changed our primary domain. Pretty simple, right? Now if you want to visit your site, then click on this eye icon. Our primary domain is changed, right? But SSL is not activated yet. To activate the SSL, I just simply go to tools and from SSL certificate, I just simply click on generate a free SSL certificate and then select your primary domain and hit on apply. HTTPS is now enabled, and this way you can easily claim your free SSL for your TenWeb hosted site. Now check this out. If I visit on msbcloud.com, just look at this. SSL is now activated. And another best part is, if you want to access your website admin dashboard, WordPress admin dashboard, then you can do this just in one click. Just click on this WordPress icon. Now look at this. Just in one click, we just successfully logged in our WordPress site, WordPress admin dashboard. That means if you are using TenWeb and want to access your admin dashboard, you don't need to enter admin username and password. And if you want to enable these features, let's say security features, then just simply hit on enable now. In the same way, you can activate backups, SEO, image optimizer as well. And if you want to manage DNS records from TenWeb, then click on domains and click on manage DNS. And from here you can easily add or remove DNS records. Alright, now hope this makes sense to you. Why I do recommend TenWeb hosting for non-technical person, because you don't need to understand what is cPanel, how to add add-on domain, how to configure some complex things to up and running your website. So if you are not a technical person and want to use secured hosting, then TenWeb will be your number one choice, because their support system is amazing. Their hosting uptime is 99.99%. They have automated backup option. AI Builder is also included in all of their hosting plan. So at this time, if you are really interested to purchase TenWeb hosting for your WordPress sites, then just simply check the video description below, because there you will get a special offer link to purchase TenWeb hosting. And don't forget to join in our MSB official Facebook group if you are interested in lifetime deals and SaaS reviews. Alright, hope you liked this video. If you really like this one, then hit that like button, subscribe this channel if you aren't already. I will upload this type of video in my channel very frequently. So if you really like this video, feel free to comment down below what type of software reviews do you want to see in this channel. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys to the next one.